Hi, it's Brad again from T.CON, and today we're going to take a look at some more specific functionality of MES CAT. In this case, we're going to take a look at our tool that we call our Logistic Unit Factsheet. Now, this is a tool that we've designed in order to help customers track and trace production so they can use it as the basis for root cause analysis. It's also a great foundation for auditing, so you can see what happened when everything is there's a great overview involved there. So let's dive in and take a look. So here, if you take a look at the application, we have here our app, so for LU Factsheet, and here you go. And then it opens up various different logistic units. So here, just looking at the front one, you have kind of some basic information about that logistic unit, and we're going to click on there. And you'll see it opens up a field. This is where you can dive even more in depth. So you have some basic information about that logistic unit at the top, and you can see here there are various different tabs that you can kind of scroll through and get even more information. Now, the nice thing is there's so much information here. A lot of things are captured through the MES system, and here you can see kind of changes, stock changes, the entire history of the production, and it also allows you to kind of navigate around and find out certain aspects. So here you see kind of the production steps, and here you see kind of a tree. So here you have the initial input materials, then went over stock preparation, and then here into slitting, and then here into extrusion, and then here to slitting. And let's say, we're currently on this step, so extrusion, and let's say we want to find out, for example, what other products were made from the same input materials. So we'll go here and click. It will then open up a new field. And if I scroll down again, see it has actually opened it up. So you see additional steps, additional production steps that were generated with the same input materials. So not only the tree from the extrusion, but other production steps. And you can kind of look at the entire history of those raw materials of that batch. So this is a great foundation for root cause analysis. So let's say you find a certain problem with the input materials on the extruder. You can go back and see and test and see if other production steps had similar problems. So this is one of the tools that's really great and helpful for a lot of our customers so that they can kind of have an overview of how their production is going. It's a nice visual tool. So it's one of the many aspects we built in MES CAT to help our customers. And in the future, I'll make additional videos where I go into specific aspects in more detail. Please stay tuned. And in the meantime, have a great day. Thank you. Bye.